Hello and welcome to the new Apto Pulse. We are so excited to introduce the new features and functionalities that Apto Pulse has to offer. My name is Allie Stevens and I am responsible for the Apto Pulse client user experience. So I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of these new features. Apto Pulse was redesigned from the ground up based on feedback from you, based on clients and what they wanted to see and what reports were most beneficial to their organization. The great thing about Apto Pulse is that it is our proprietary software, so it is constantly evolving based on client feedback. So let's jump right in. After logging in, you'll be directed to our homepage, which breaks out Apto Pulse into its unique dashboards. You can click on the icons or use the top navigation bar to direct you to your selected dashboard. First, we'll explore the current inventory page. This is a brand new view for our clients to provide better detailed information of your current inventory. You can toggle between two views on the graphs using the toggle feature. On the left is unit count or estimated inventory value by status. Awaiting resale includes all processed finished goods awaiting sale. Locked are any units that we are working with our clients to BIOS unlock. Work in progress are any input assets that are in various stages of the lab, testing, or net wipe process. To arrive at the estimated values, we use a trailing 6 months of sales data for that same part number. Of course, there may be some minor variation based on exact specs, missing components, etc., but this new feature is great for our clients to help in planning and forecasting sales. On the right, you're going to see the same toggle options, but this graph is broken out by asset category, with the widget on the far right capturing the total inventory snapshot of all current inventory. If you prefer tables over graphs, that same data is displayed below. Next is the jobs page. This dashboard allows you to view assets by specific pickup numbers or job IDs. When searching, you can see the client job ID, which would be your client reference number, which may include the project number and pickup location, as well as the status by job. This gives you a good high-level view of where your assets are within the disposition process. If you're looking for granular data, you can also click the job ID number to view individual asset details within the job and export to Excel should you need to manipulate it or perhaps upload it into your internal database. From here, we'll look at the sales history dashboard, which provides visibility into asset value recovery. The default view is a trailing 12-month date range with all-time sales displayed in the widget on the right, but you have the ability to customize that date range. Displayed below are the top ranked categories by sale with the average unit selling prices for each category displayed in both graph and table formats. Below, you'll see a line graph of sales trends over a trailing month period. The graph depicts gross sales, but we are working on adding the Apto revenue share to calculate the net sales as well as processing fees to be added to this table so you have a complete picture of your revenue and net proceeds. Next, we'll take a look at our recycling dashboard. This is similar to the sales history page in that it is providing ranking by category, the weight of the recycled assets, as well as monthly trends displayed in both graph and table formats. From here, we'll take a look at our SLA dashboard. This dashboard measures the number of days to process your assets from input to final sale, both by category and by overall SLA performance. Below, you're also able to view your inventory aging within our inventory by category. Another new page that we are very excited about is the ESG Reporting dashboard. This allows you to view the environmental impact from the disposition of your assets, both recycled and resold, either overall or by category. This includes reduction of greenhouse gas emissions and toxic materials diverted from landfills. The certificates page is a self-service dashboard to instantly download certificates of either data destruction or certificates of recycling by either job, date range, or individual asset. For example, if I am looking for a certificate of destruction for my most recent pickup and I've confirmed that the job is complete on my jobs dashboard, I can search by that specific job number and export a bulk certificate for that job. I also have the ability to download an individual assets certificate of destruction and download that individual certificate by serial number. Logs are saved for 7 years so you can access past certificates for any job since inception. If you're not finding what you need in our standard dashboards, our report builder allows you to create custom filters and reports. Once you've selected the filters that you're looking for, you can export the results to Excel. Lastly, we've created a Manage Users function. This will allow the designated account admin within each organization to grant their internal users access and manage their roles and permissions. If you're not sure who your account admin is, let us know and we'd be happy to assist. I hope this was helpful in guiding you through the new features of Apto Pulse. As I mentioned before, this is a constantly evolving portal and we value your input. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to me directly or email pulse-support@aptosolutions.com.